Oh, I'm so excited. Look at what the mailman dropped off at my door today. It's my paper pumpkin kit. I'm so excited to open it, and I can't wait to share it with you. Every month, I get a new paper pumpkin, and it's always a new theme. This theme is adorable this month. There's the stamp set that you get with every kit. You also get a small Stampin' Spot, and this color is Mango Melody. You also, with your first kit, get a clear acrylic block, and you can put your cling stamps on there or your polymer stamps. So let's say you don't want to stamp and get all the blocks and all the ink pads and all these stamp sets, but you want to do some stuff once a month. Well, here you go. You can also extend your crafting. You can get an add-on to this kit, or you can shop the coordinating suite. It's their anniversary. They're celebrating 10 years of growth. And here's a different kit. I wonder if I'm going to get that. Ooh, if you subscribe, you will get your free gift. It could be that. It also comes so nicely wrapped. It's always it's like Christmas or a birthday. Ooh. So to add with the stamp pad and the stamp set, this kit came with some envelopes. So here's my theme. Adorable. Sunshine and Smiles Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is my February one. It has all the instructions and everything that you need to make your cards with your kit. I'm so excited. I'm going to bring you down into the kitchen and we're going to do this together. These are great for homeschooling. It's exciting. And us paper pumpkin collectors, we cherish the box. Good morning, everyone. Get down. I have cats with me. It's card making with cats today. It's Saturday. It's cold. I don't even know if it's 30 degrees yet. You hear my cats running around. So today we're going to work on my paper pumpkin I got in the mail the other day. I'm really excited to open it up, share with you what I get in the mail once a month. My mail carrier likes to play tricks on me. He puts my box in my mailbox that I have a key on it, and he fitted it in on his side, but when I go to take it out on the other side, my side, I can't get it out. It's like a ½ inch too small. So then I have to go down to the post office box, which I have to do today, and see if there's anything in my P.O. box from all of you people out there. I will link my P.O. box address in the description, and also how to get yourself a paper pumpkin if you're interested. And we're going to have cats today. I thought I'd do this downstairs in the kitchen, a little bit better light. Alright, so in there we have some embellishments that coordinate with our cards, and some little glue dots. They're very tiny. Some people love these little glue dots. I think actually these are a little bit bigger than usual. But we have these little embellishments. They're really pretty. We have some foam adhesives, and we have some glue dots. Then we have our Stampin' Spot. It's a small version of a full size. It's Mango Melody for our kit. This is the first block I got in my first paper pumpkin. You'll get one of these so that you can stamp. And a smaller version of these are the poly stamps. Okay, let's see what we got in this kit. We got some envelopes. What I like about the envelopes in the kits is they come color coordinated. They're really very nice. And this must be a cutout for one of the cards. These are the actual card bases. And some cute little... So this would be your stamp that you would get, but these are already colored in, making it a little bit easier if you want to homeschool with these. These are great for fine motor skills, step-by-steps, and then here's some more cutouts. I always save these. You never know if you're going to need. And then how to get started. Your directions for each set. So, number 1, and it gives you like a little ruler. I mean, you can go out on a trip and take these with you, and everything in here pretty much is great. You don't have to go out and buy anything. You can take these on a vacation with the kids for a rainy day. You could do these at home on a rainy day or a snow day, which we haven't seen any of this year. So number 1, wishing you sunshine and smiles is my first one. All right, let's see, what ones do I need to get here? I need to open up my stamps. This is my a set. I got a Cricut set, and I go on a stamping weekend, and I will post videos of that. But my friend makes us something personal each stamping weekend, and this is what I got. It's really cute for my scissors in case I lose them. I don't know what my cats are getting into. Hi, Pearly Curly. You got my pen? She has my pen. Yesterday I went to Petco to get some food for them, and every time I go I get a toy. Just trying to get this on. Alright, so here's my mini dot of Mango Melody. Alright, so I'm going to need 2 stamps, and I'm going to need to find out how you cut them. No, you can go away. You can touch all my stuff. I know how you roll. So the pieces I'm going to need for this card set are the grassy hill. And these pop out pretty easy. You know, if you have smaller kids, you can do this for them. They're not ripped, and they don't get all frustrated. So these are the flowers that I need. Take them to the beach so they could fly their kites. They loved it. I don't know, I find that this is therapeutic. There's so much going on in the world. You kind of need a niche to kind of calm yourself down, and making cards and doing crafts is my niche. And Saturdays I stay home and I do my crafts. I've got to paint a bureau today. Upstairs, I'll show you a quick video. I tried to do a floral on it. I don't like it, so I'm going to repaint the drawers with a brown cowhide. Can't talk sometimes. It's kind of chilly in here today. My electric bill came in the other day and it was insane. I almost passed out. So in the kitchen, we got the heat down lower today. So Mr. Bunny's going to be in this one. These are so cute, I have to say. And I will link the catalog in the description too, if anyone's interested in just checking it out. Paper Pumpkin subscriptions are in there. Alright. And usually they give you 3 of each card and some extras. I save all my extra pieces in case I want to make a card down the line where I need to stick in a kite or something else. Alright. I need to stamp my words on this block. And my words are wishing you sunshine and smiles. All right. Since this is a small stamping dot, you're going to apply it. Now, one thing that doesn't come with the kit is your scrap paper. And this is the lightweight paper, computer paper. And I always try to stamp my, I always try to check it out the first time, just to make sure that it's all the letters are there and I've applied the ink good enough. And you kind of will be consistent as you stamp more. And you just try to eyeball it. They don't have to be perfect because they're homemade, and I kind of like that about making cards by yourself. Wishing you sunshine and smiles. So I'm going to do all of them. You could do it this way. Today's all about different ways. I think the letters go on easier that way. I have my jammies on still. I love it. Saturdays is cleaning day. All day. My other half works on a Saturday, so I get the whole place to myself. And after raising 4 kids, it's really nice to have time to myself and cold coffee. I've always drank cold coffee, even when the kids were little. And Brandon's always like, how can you drink it like that? Well, you get used to it after like 20 years. Good to the last drop. Okay, all my letters are done. It's telling me my step. So now I need to find the sky. Where is it? Right there. Great. So the cards are going to be going this way. And it says that I need to stamp my sun on there. I didn't bring my stamp cleaner down here. I can get that. So next stamp is my sun. So I talked about on my intro, on my channel, in the description of it, I talked about how my children are all grown. I have a son and 3 daughters. And my last one just got married. And her and her husband live together, and they live next door. So she just might barge right in. And that's why I have it on Crypto Children. like it's not made for children, because I never know what she's going to say when she comes to the door. So that's just a heads up.